Hey there, welcome back. It's a little later than I thought I was gonna be. Skipped the whole week here, but what do you do when you gotta work, you know? So we are going to start taking out these few walls here. Don't have to worry. This is supporting the floor, so these walls are not really necessary at all. I mean, nice and wobbly. Top and bottom. I just gotta make sure I don't hit anything. Like, I wrapped the electrical cords around this part right here, which is separate from this part. I don't know why, but I don't have a stand, so I'll put you guys away and try some editing to edit everything together when I get one of these walls taken care of. I'll be right back. Hey guys and girls, back. So, what I thought was wood is actually metal. This whole thing, fucking metal. I don't have the metal bit. So, I gotta run to a store, get some metal cutting bits and clean up. I gotta start getting ready for work tomorrow, and yeah, so this is gonna be it for this week update. I gotta clean up, go do some more shopping, which I don't have the money for, so I might wait till tomorrow or next week to do that. Yeah, I'll see you next week when I can take care of this. I can't get it up the stairs. It's too wide. We got some narrow ass stairs. I got a duck just to get up them. But yeah, as you can see, lots of stuff to clean up. You even got a metal piece stuck over there, which I can't get the screws out. So I gotta cut the screws off. But yeah, finally started, and well, it's hard to tell on camera, especially with this thing still here, but it's a lot bigger, feels like. Alright, I look forward to seeing you guys next weekend. And hopefully I can get better at this camera thing. See ya.